but you, Professor, Mr. Parthasarathy wanted to respond to you. Professor Jaspal, Mr. Parthasarathy, yes.
No. Look, I have no doubt about Professor Jaspal's sincerity, but let me tell him two things. Let us not equate the terrorism Pakistan is suffering from what we are suffering. Pakistan is suffering terrorism from the Tehreek-e-Taliban-e-Pakistan, which was armed, trained and equipped by the ISI to fight in Afghanistan. Now this is not what I am saying. The Afghans are saying it, the Americans are saying it. And I would draw Professor Jaspal's attention to what Mr. Nawaz Sharif said at the all-party meeting. He asked General Kayani, why is it that everyone in the world, there must be some reason, is calling us a supporter of terrorism, is calling the ISI a supporter of terrorism. This is Nawaz Sharif. Mr. Achakzai in that same meeting tells the ISI Director General that look, you stop aiding terrorism in Afghanistan, it will end in a month. So it's your own politicians, sir, and I respect the fact that you are desirous of good relations with India. But sad to say, not just India, not the Afghans, not the Russians, not the entire Western world are prepared to believe this denial of the ISI. The fact of the matter is, I think if it goes on this way, at some day, soon or later, the S Directorate of the ISI will be made into a sponsor of terrorism. I don't think you're going to like that. But what I'm saying is, I do hope the democratic government will be able to control the ISI. Nobody in the world believes that's possible, given present circumstances. And I would sincerely hope that the ISI listens to the advice of your own leading politicians, like Nawaz Sharif and Achakzai, not to speak of
Professor Jaspal wants to respond.
And the Bareilly leader,
Professor Jaspal, speak now. Professor Jaspal, you wish to respond. I just want to add one thing before you respond. There is a very easy solution to this. If that explosive written car from Ambala taken by the Babbar Khalsa International would have gone to Delhi, and if there would have been a blast, I can tell you, sir, we would have been speaking in a different climate. Why don't you just hand over this man, Paramjit Singh Raj of the Babbar Khalsa International, of whose dossiers and details have been given to you by the Indian government? Hand him over as a peaceful gesture before the next SAARC summit in Maldives. Simply hand him over.
And the professor can't say he's not there. Because he's been seen regularly by the Sikh Yatris who go there.
Hand him over. Hand over Paramjit Singh Raj.
My officers deputed to Lahore.
I think that when your Yatris are coming, they're coming with the permission of your government. And there's a, not like this way that you start charging. I am here to answer, or you can say analyze the thing. I am not this that what you are saying I say is correct. Number of your things are incorrect. Your assessments are based on the biased analysis. Let me tell you one thing that I said very simple. That is, my dear friend, is it in the interest of Pakistan that there should be something wrong there in India? There are a number of the attacks
of Pakistan to host Osama.
There was a very good move.
It was not in the interest of Pakistan to host Osama.
It's in its interest. Please believe me, sir. I have seen Khalistan Zindabad slogans.
Please believe me. After the, I think there was a good rationality prevailed. Good rationality prevailed.
And I know that it is encouraged by the administration, and people are helped to put up those slogans. I'm talking, sir, on the basis.
Can I intervene here? My dear, when the people are coming here, they are always under your surveillance. When they are going there under your surveillance, it's not easier way. It's the simplest denial that you are trying to hide your own shortcomings in your country. I can simply say the process which was started recently, that we have a confidence on each other, we work together. What happened in the Bombay, and then there was rationality prevailed. I think we have to go with that type of way. It's working instead of alleging each other.
You take these terrorists, you take them to Pakistan, the so-called Indian Mujahideen and the Babbar Khalsa terrorists, and then you put a gun to their head and say carry out spectacular attacks in India soon, otherwise this hospitality will end. Why are you providing the hospitality? Why don't you give back Paramjit Singh Raj to India? Let us decide how we want to deal with him.
No, you are just citing the names. I never ever heard them. I read
How
the
can
Indian
it be, sir?
newspapers. I didn't hear there. The only thing is that if your nationals are coming here, they are coming with your approval. When they go back, to recheck it. There are police reporting from your side, our side.
No,
It's
no,
not
no.
an easy game.
No.
I think that you have to focus on your
Sushant.
internal issues and internal problems, that why these groups are emerging. Of course, they can be exploited by your enemies, but here the point is that exploitation or supporting this kind of the groups is not in the interest of Pakistan at the moment.
And
We
over
are
the-
talking, as General very rightly pointed out, that for their most favored nation, we are fighting
Sir,
with them.
sir,
and we need
these are
to
all
fight.
generalities.
Why you
Professor
want to
Jaspal,
hijack this peace
Professor
mission?
Jaspal, those are generalities. I'll tell you the specifics. The specific is that in a
Not
village,
generalities. These
vi-
are the realities. You are making a generality.
Sir, I'm telling
you are
you-
making an investigative
That-
story on the
Sir,
basis of
I am
wrong
telling you
facts
that
and
in
wrong
January
things and
2000
developing the linkages and hiding your own shortcomings.
Sir, the game has been up since January 2008 when in a village called Garhi Mansowal between Punjab and Himachal Pradesh, a bunch of these Pakistan-backed Babbar Khalsa international terrorists were taken in and they were caught. When they went through interrogation, they revealed the whole story. Sushant Sareen will tell you that. It's the best known story. I just am asking you, why
Let
are
me
you
tell
playing?
you one thing. In 2009, your own Prime Minister in Sharm el-Sheikh agreed
Sir,
that there is
sir,
we should stop what is happening.
Sir, in
Balochistan,
October
and when we
2007,
return,
if you are
your Prime
asking
Minister,
dates,
that your Parliament
you know,
opposed.
this
I
group-
don't see
Arnab,
that
let
how
me
your
just
own
say something.
Sir, this-
politicians, your own
that's not-
party is accepting it,
Sush-
and then we are
Arnab,
trying to focus on
Sushant.
You know, I
Yes.
really wish the professor from Pakistan would not keep bringing in Balochistan, but since he insists on bringing it up, I would not have mentioned it, but since he continues to insist bringing it up, I don't know if he's even read the Sharm el-Sheikh declaration. If he has read it, then he would see that the Indian Prime Minister said nothing. It was the Pakistani Prime Minister who deliberately internationalized
What was this joint statement? It is a joint
and
statement. What
that
you
he-
said. I think that
Professor, can I?
if you are saying that I didn't
Professor,
read
can
it,
I say
it was a
something?
joint statement. What you said.
Kindly don't interrupt. It's not good manners.
You see,
No, then you can also
Prime
having
Minister
this
of
argument.
Pakistan
interrupt me when I'm talking. It's not a good manner, I understand, but you have to also be correct.
Let him complete, Professor. Let him complete. Yes.
You know, so obviously he has not read
Sure.
the declaration. If he has read it, he has not understood it. Because in that it is clearly written that the Prime Minister of Pakistan gave certain information to the Prime Minister of India on Balochistan. That is all that is mentioned. What does that mean? You want to internationalize it? Fine. And since you're talking about Balochistan and since you're talking about your internal problems which we might be having, what about your problems in Balochistan? You know, all your generals in FC and others should actually be held up in the International Court of Justice for war crimes, the way they are killing 16, 17-year-old boys. They are actually brutally murdering them, killing them in cold blood and dumping it's a kill and dump policy which the Pakistani newspapers are highlighting every day. Pakistani human rights groups are highlighting every day. For the professor to equate what is happening in Punjab and the terrorism which they are sponsoring, he obviously also does not read his own newspapers like The Nation and all, which organize seminars in Lahore every time Indian jathas go, and the kind of propaganda which takes place out there. I am not saying that the Indians are responsible. I am saying that the Indian citizens who go out there for
Yes,
pilgrimage are deliberately provoked, incited to violence. You know, that is what is happening.
No,
and that is where
Rashid
the
Qureshi-
nub of the problem lies.
Rashid-
And he's being entirely disingenuous by these diversionary tactics.
No, Rashid Qureshi, I'm putting those pictures out tonight and I want a response from you. When you see those pictures of what happened in Ambala, I'm simply asking you tonight, is the ISI totally out of control that it is trying to so aggressively push for a renewal of terrorist violence in Punjab? The whole story is up.
What you've
If
just
there is
said,
an attack on a
you've
single
just-
attack on a dera in Punjab, or a single attack that links up to Pakistan anymore in New Delhi, you know, we all know, patience is on a thin edge. Rashid Qureshi, I just want to know what the ISI is up to. What its larger strategy is.
I mean, you ask a question and then you take about 20 minutes to answer it yourself. You ask Professor Jaspal for his views and not 1 minute is given to him to hear what he has to say. What he has said is absolutely correct. He says that it is not in Pakistan's interest that any such thing happens.
Exactly, but then why?
Why do that? No. You should think like that. You see, if you're going to get hysterical and start shouting on television, on interviews like
Sir,
this.
I'm asking you
we will
empirically,
get
tell me
nowhere.
why.
Now, hold on. Now, if we get hysterical and you get hysterical and we find
this is not hysteria.
Indian interference in Pakistan,
Sir,
it is hysteria.
Sir, this is
And
RDX being
you
smuggled in, being carried out by your people. Your people, sir. This
No, it's not our people. Not at
the
all.
Babbar
It's not
Khalsa
our
bosses
people.
are sitting in
It's
Lahore
your
right now.
organization. It's your organization
Sir, the
functioning
Babbar
in
Khalsa
India
International
which has
is-
done
is-
it.
is the
Now,
ISI
Babbar
based
Khalsa
supported
Babbar
organization.
Khalsa, Babbar Khalsa, look, hold on, listen to it. Now. There is no such thing as Babbar Khalsa in Pakistan.
Wonderful.
There is Babbar Khalsa in
Like
India.
there was no
So it's
Osama.
your organization. Yes, hold on.
No.
Like this, where was the RAW when there were big blasts being carried out
Sir,
in
I'm
Bombay?
asking
So
you,
should we
why
say
are
that
you
RAW is
disowning
involved?
an organization
RAW is
that you have
involved.
spawned?
Now,
You have
killed
spawned the Babbar
you
Khalsa.
killed your own. You killed your own counter-terrorism expert. The RAW did it.
Sir,
why
sir,
did
why
it
are
do
you
it?
avoiding the
Because,
Babbar
yes,
Khalsa question?
No, what Babbar Khalsa?
You can't
see,
disown the
point
Babbar
is,
Khalsa. You have
you
spawned them.
rant and you shout and you don't listen to what anyone else has to say.
So I'm asking
if
you-
that is the purpose of this,
Sir,
if
I am
that is the
asking you,
purpose
can you
of this
disown the
program,
Babbar Khalsa?
then
Can
you
the
will
ISI
succeed.
disown the Babbar
But
Khalsa?
if the purpose, ISI is not training the Babbar Khalsa. This is the first time I have heard about this organization from you. I have never in Pakistan heard of the Babbar Khalsa. Now, the point is, why should Pakistan or ISI or the government of Pakistan do such a thing?
I'm asking you.
Now, listen. First you said the ISI was not in control. Then you said that the government of Punjab is holding these organizations.
Sir,
Are you trying then to say that the government of Punjab is working
Sir, I'm
against
simply
what the
saying-
federal government is doing?
Sir, I'm simply saying-
No.
Sir, I'm simply
You've
saying,
got
if you
to
allow me-
listen. There is no such thing. There is no such thing as Babbar Khalsa in
No, sir,
Pakistan.
I'll get Mr.
And if you-
Patsati to respond. Maybe Mr. General Qureshi nowadays.
my God.
Mr. Patsati will, as far as I know, in February 2010, a dossier with Babbar Khalsa details and Paramjit Singh Raj was all given to the Pakistani government. Mr. Patsati, General Qureshi said, I've never heard of the Babbar Khalsa before this. Nobody knows of the Babbar Khalsa before.
Listen, I am amused by what General Rashid Qureshi is saying, that there is no such thing in Babbar Khalsa in Pakistan. Some time ago they were saying there is no such thing as Osama bin Laden in Pakistan. Now they are saying there is no such thing as Mullah Omar and Quetta Shura in Pakistan. General, please get real. Nobody in the world believes you. Pakistan is a country with the least international credibility. Please read what the London Times says about you. Please read what the New York Times says about you. Please read what the Canadian papers say about you. Pakistan is seen as the epicenter of terrorism.
About you.
So, let's be real.
Mr. Parsasati,
This denial business will go on.
Listen, you tell me, what are 6 Indian consulates on the Afghan-Pakistan border doing? Do Indians come through Afghanistan to Pakistan?
I will answer you that. I will answer you that question. I will answer you that.
Send it.
I'll answer you that question. I'll answer you that question.
Yeah.
For your
What is
information,
the question?
For your information, there are not 6 Indian consulates on your border. You're not speaking the
How
truth.
many are there?
There are 2 consulates, Kandahar and Jalalabad. Just a minute. Kandahar and Jalalabad near the Pakistan border. We've had those consulates since 1948. The only time we didn't have it, just a minute. The only time we didn't have it was when the Taliban was ruling. We have 2 more consulates. They have nothing to do with your border. They are on the border of Iran.
Yes, why not?
One is in Herat. One is in Mazar-e-Sharif.
Do Indians... Look,
So,
from
your information is wrong,
and
your
Jalalabad,
assertions are
do
wrong,
Indians,
but that's very typically the Pakistan military. Nobody believes you. Not the Americans, not the Canadians, not the Russians. Nobody believes you in the world.
Do Indians enter Pakistan through Afghanistan?
Sir, let me tell you, I just want to share
Does
this
India
information with
train
you tonight.
Afghans to
Because
send
you
them to
said,
Pakistan?
General Qureshi, you said, I
No,
don't know about the
point
Babbar
is-
Khalsa International.
No.
Nobody in the world.
Yeah, I don't.
Just a minute. Nobody in the world believes that.
But
Nobody
you
in the
know-
world believes that.
I don't know.
This is a dialogue you're having with
okay,
yourself.
Fine.
Because nobody believes you.
You don't believe it. I don't believe you.
Sir,
I don't believe you and nobody believes you.
Sir,
it's
there
so
are-
simple
there are
for me
8
to say
camps.
that. But
there are
if
8
that is how
camps.
we are going to argue,
There are 8 camps.
if we are going to argue like that, then you will get nowhere.
Sir,
and then
General
it's pointless
Qureshi-
coming on a program
General
and
Qureshi-
shouting at each other
General Qureshi,
and coming
please,
and saying
let
that
me
I
share
don't
the
believe you
facts.
and nobody believes you. I don't believe the compare. I don't believe Mr. Parsasarthi. I don't
Qureshi.
believe your expert.
General
I
Qureshi.
don't believe Raw. I don't believe the government of India. Unfortunate.